Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to work in my December daily. I want to work on the monthly spread. And I did go ahead and cut out the graphic from the December calendar. I think it might have been from 2018. She probably won't get used on this monthly, but I do plan to use her somewhere in this December daily. So I'm just looking around to see what items I want to use to decorate this, and I checked out one of the Hot Buy sticker books from Michaels. This is the one that has the pink and the winter themes, the blues, but it's not going with the vibe of what I want to do. So this one is Say Freeze, and it has that vintage feel, but it still has a little bit of a modern twist. So I think I'm going to use this, and I really like the way the numbers look for the countdown. So I will probably use a lot of the stickers out of this book for my December daily entries. So, and you know, I love the plaid, and I think the main thing that sold this to me was that it has my red truck in here, the little red truck that I like so much, the vintage truck. Okay, so there it is. So yeah, once I saw that, I was pretty sure this is the book that I'm going to be using. So to get started, I wanted to not necessarily use washi tape, so I'm going to use some of the washi strips that they have included in this sticker book. And there's one that says it's the most wonderful time of the year, and that's my favorite Christmas phrase. I kind of want to put that on everything, so I'm going to use that. But on top of it, I'm going to use this red plaid, and this strip is almost exactly the width of the paper. I think it's shy, maybe a quarter of an inch. So I'm trying to center it at the top of the page as best as I can. And I'm thinking that I was going to round the corners with a 1/2 inch rounder, and that might cover or cut off the part where the strip doesn't cover the paper. But here I am putting down it's the most wonderful time of the year, and I think those two look great together. The only thing is that little bit of white showing on the edge, and here I'm just testing out with the corner rounder to see if that's going to cut off the white area, and it does not cover it. So I'm just flipping through to see if I can find something else, and I'm thinking these photo corners will work great, so I'm placing one down just to see, and it looks pretty good. So I'm going to do the other one, but on the other side I'm going to lift up the it's the most wonderful time of the year banner part and put it underneath just to see how that looks, because I'm thinking it might look better while I'm doing this. And so I pulled it up and placed the corner and push that back down, and it looks great. So I'm going to go back to the other side and do the same thing. So I have to pull up the corner piece and then place the banner over top of that. And then I kind of messed up the edge of the paper a little bit, and so some of the white of the sticker was showing. So I'm going to go over that with a little red Coletto pen and cover that up, and we're all good. So that looks really nice at the top. Now I'm going to figure out what I want to put at the bottom. I'm going to use this strip with the Christmas stockings on it. And then I was just checking to see was there a corner piece that would work with that. But there isn't, but I don't think I need it at the bottom. So now I'm going to go ahead and put down the month. I've been saving these stickers in dates and holidays. This is a really old book, but I've been saving these for a while, and it's time that I start using them. So I'm going to use it in my December daily, starting with December. And I'm just going to put it in the side column area. Then I'm flipping through to see if there's something I can use for 2020. I didn't want to use those because of the colors, and I only had 120 left on that page. So I'm just flipping through to see if I have anything else. And I do have a couple more stickers that are old for past years, and I'm just going to cut the year number off and use the 20. So we got 2018. I'm just going to take the 18 off, and in 2017 I'm going to take the 17 off, and now I have 2 stickers to make 2020 with. And I'm going to put them underneath December, line them up together, and there we have it. The month and year are set. Now let's go ahead and number the days. And I'm going to try and focus because I do have issues with getting the days of the week wrong or the numbers wrong. And as you can see, I started with the 3 because I know that today is the 3rd. So if I can work around that, then hopefully I'll get the numbers in order and straight. Okay, so now we're all numbered, and I double checked to make sure everything was in the right place. So now I'm looking for some trees to possibly put down at the bottom in those empty boxes. And I know there are some trees in squad goals, but they are not the right feel, not the right color, and I also think they're a little bit too big. And I do remember seeing some trees in Save Free, so I'm flipping through looking for those. That first one there, I didn't really like that much, but I do really like these. So I'm trying to decide. I decide I'm going to use the one up at the top there. And even though it's see-through and the lines will show through, I still kind of want to use it. So I'm going to cut the tree trunk off because we don't need that part. And I'm going to place the tree down in the sidebar column. And then I'm going to use this holly and berries over the top of where it says December. And here I was using another piece of the washi strip to fill in those boxes at the bottom. And I'm also going to use some of my Santa's belt washi. I'm going to try a couple of other washis first just to see what they look like. But I am going to eventually decide to use the Santa's belt. It's like one of my favorite images of Christmas as well. So I just think the washi tape with Santa's belt on it is really the coolest thing ever. So I kind of thought this one with the words on it and the holly would work, but the green was just a little too bright and it just didn't stand out good. We needed some red down there. And those belt buckles, they look so cute. So I'm really happy with it. Now I'm going to go ahead and notate a couple of birthdays, one of which is mine. I'm going to be using these happy birthday script stickers from Paper Company. And I'm putting down one for me on the 20th and one for my niece on the 22nd. Then I also want to note Christmas Day, of course. So I'm looking for something for that, and I was thinking of using one of those red bows. Then I decided, let me flip through and see what else is available. So I'm just trying to decide, trying to find something suitable. And I was going to try and fill in those other two blank boxes down at the bottom, but the little squares in the sticker book were just slightly too large. They probably would have fit perfect if I had not reduced this page down 90%. So I may come back one day and try again at the full size. So again, I'm just flipping, and then I find this page with the red foil, and I just think this red star is perfect for adding a little something to Christmas Day. And here I'm just looking through the 'Tis the Season book to make sure I don't miss anything there, and I actually find a sticker that says 'Tis the Season. So I'm going to add that to one of the empty blocks up at the beginning of the month. Just flipping through to make sure there's nothing else. And here I'm flipping through the Wrong sticker book. I think it's Wrong Seasonal. So copyright 2018, but I think it came out last year. And I used these girls with their feet kicked up in the air last year, and I saw this sticker and wanted to use it again, so I'm going to place them right in front of the tree there. They kind of blend in. It looks a little muddy, but I know they're there, so I really like that sticker. And here I'm just flipping through to see if there's anything else in the Wrong Seasonal book that I might want to use on this spread. And this Christmas Joy is a sticker book that I think came out last year also. So I'm just flipping through again to see if there's anything that I want to use out of here. And I'm also looking for the Christmas Eve and Christmas Day stickers, the script stickers, and I know I have them in gold foil. So this is the Paper Studio, a calendar book. So I'm thinking, well, maybe I saw them in there. But no, I actually saw them in Dates and Holidays. And I can't believe I hadn't already used these, but I've been trying to hold on to this Dates and Holidays book for so long that no, I had not used the gold Christmas Eve and Christmas Day stickers. So I'm putting them in my December daily this year. They're a little big for this spread. They hang over in other days, but I don't mind. I think they're perfect the way they are. So, and here I was just looking for a little something to put on Christmas Eve. I put down the holly and berries on Christmas Eve. I'm going to go ahead and punch the holes and put this in, and I'm hoping that the holes don't interfere too much with the stickers that I used on the other side. So I'm just going to draw those in and get my crocodile and punch. So I'm going to go ahead and add this on the rings. As you can see, I've also added acetate in here too. And this is the spread. I'm thinking, well, what can I put on that other side? So we'll definitely be adding something to the other side. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!